What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Of course we are carrying on with the Pixel 10 Pro XL content. I've got mine in Moonstone, so we've already done some videos already, but this right here, Moonstone Pixel 10 Pro XL. Let me know if there's any cases you want to see, but I know there'll be a few ears that want to see this case right here. So this is the thinborne Aramid fiber case. It does come with a screen protector, so when you open the box, you know, that nice carbon fibre texture box, thinborne in gold in the middle, just a sticker on the back telling you that it's for the 10 Pro XL. If you open it up, as you can see, you get your screen protector, you get a little leaflet, identify the essential, eliminate the rest. The case is made from Aramid fibre, making it durable and lightweight. Partially handmade, there may be slight imperfections, basically a guarantee on this part right here, and then important information about wireless charging. There is the case, and then screen protected accessories at the bottom. So we'll place this back in. We don't really go for them type of screen protectors anyway, so I'm not going to show you that. That's not why we're here for the case. And this looks absolutely fantastic. So a nice thin design, nice feel and texture, cut out on the top right here. On the American version, you've got, I'm assuming, got the antenna on the top. Over in the UK, we've got the SIM tray. I'm going to be showing off my SIM tray, which is nice. So you've got your cutouts on the top right there for your mic, cutouts on the bottom, cutouts on this side completely, MagSafe in the middle, and then your camera protection right here. If we go ahead and bring in the scale, let's see what it weighs in at. There we go. 22 grams. Super light. So let's go ahead and throw in the Pixel 10 Pro XL. There we go. Slap it in and let's place it down. 254 grams. So not bad at all. Not bad at all. Camera nice and recessed into that Aramid fibre housing. So it does hang over. There is a lip there, so you can go ahead and place it down like so. It's raised in each corner and on the side as well, but if you have a screen protector on your phone, then the raised isn't going to really protect your screen protector. So right now you can place it face down. I haven't got a screen protector on this at the moment. As you can see, the top of mine is showing off the SIM ejection. You can get easy access to take out the SIM if I wanted to. Say camera nice and protected. However, on this side right here, as you can see, some people don't like this, but it's wide open on this side, so no other buttons to push, just your normal button. On the bottom, cutouts for your speaker, your mic and your charge port, and cutouts on the top for your mic on this side right here. These little slats are making it to make it easier to take on and off, but looks good, feels good. Let's test out the MagSafe strength. So let's go ahead and slap that on. And obviously the good thing about this compared to your Samsung devices, because the Samsung's cameras go this way, causes a bit of a havoc with MagSafe accessories. But as you can see, this is on, and that ain't coming up. That's on there well. You know, you're not gonna have any issues with your MagSafe wallets, chargers, etc. If you bring in the Nomad base stand, now this guy is super heavy. If we go ahead and slap it on, just took it out my hand. Let's see. Yeah, no issues there. Raises up and down. So obviously my issue is when you get a MagSafe charger and you slap it on the back of the phone, but then the MagSafe isn't strong enough and it slips down. All of a sudden it's not charging, so your phone will be charged in the morning. That's my issue with certain MagSafe. That is why I do that test. But this looks and feels great. Feels really fantastic. The Aramid fibre is nice. Protection for your camera. Protection for the front screen if you don't have a screen protector on it. And of course they provide a screen protector. And you can change out, you know, if you scratch the screen protector, change the screen protector. Rather than scratching that beautiful screen right there. That is the thinborne Aramid fibre case. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Huge thank you to Thinborne for sending this over for us to take a look at and for me to show you guys. They have provided a discount code, being the link down below. I'll put it in the first pinned comments as well. So if you want any other cases from Thinborne, if you don't have a Pixel, if you want something completely different down there, follow the link My affiliate link won't cost you any extra, and there's a discount code, so make sure you check that out. But thank you guys so much for watching. I truly appreciate it, as always. If you like this, drop a like. If you love to, drop a sub, turn those notifications on, and let me know in the comments if there's any other cases you want to see for the Pixel series. Let me know. See you all soon.